back to the channel. I thought today I'd give you a little bit of difference of what the snow totals that we've had so far, about a foot. Drifting area is a little more than a foot. But that's Claude, he's got the skid steer. This is how we get the shop cleaned up. We've got a nice simplicity snowblower, but he can get it done in a heck of a lot quicker time than what I can. So I thought I'd just kind of let you guys see some of what we do when we're not working on stuff. I bought this Bobcat 751 probably around 15, 16 years ago. And other than regular maintenance on it, this girl has just been stellar. We've got a set of chains that'll go all the way around it for the winter months, but Claude found that with just one set in the front was all he needed to keep good traction and stuff. And she drifted pretty good in some spots. And the forecast they're talking about right now is till 7 o'clock tonight, and then tomorrow's supposed to be sub-zero, and then going towards the later of the week they're calling for 1 to 3 feet of snow, new snow on top of the snow that we already have. So we're hoping to start getting calls from people with snow blowers because they can't get them to run, and they waited till the last minute to give us a call. But so far we've had crickets, but it's early yet with the first snow. The nice thing with the skid steer is you can put it right up into banks and move the banks back. Now for the home properties and his property, he's got a Yamaha side-by-side. It's got a plow on it, so he just hits both of us with that. I used to have 2 plow trucks, and that's all we did during the winter months was to go plow everybody out. But the problem I had with that was a lot of people wouldn't pay. You know, they didn't have the money or what have you, and the last thing I want to do is chase customers. So I opted not to put plows on my other trucks as I updated them down the road. Now I've also got tractors up to the house on the farm that I can throw a bucket on one if I need to clean as well. We got the new sprockets in for the mini excavator, so we got to get those on here pretty quick. You can see that 1-ton dually, she snowed in pretty good. But no, I thought for entertainment value you'd enjoy something like this, to see Claude out there. It's about 18 degrees. I just ran my side-by-side up the road, and we put a lot of new parts on that, and I brought my 4-wheeler down, my Honda Foreman, because it had a brake catching a little bit, so I figured it probably was froze up from hunting season with mud in it. So on that note, we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.